Sino po dito yung mga OFW sa Saudi Arabia o papunta sa Saudi Arabia? May magbabago. May magbabago ngayon sa Saudi Arabia. Ayon po sa DMW, I think this could be, dapat ito matagal na hutong naisip eh. Matagal na ho dapat ito naisip eh. Sabi nila, DMW 6 for joint monitoring system for Filipino workers in Saudi Arabia. Joint monitoring system. Kanino kaya sila makikipag collab? 'Di ba? Kanino kaya sila makikipag-collab? Tawagan natin si Attorney PY. Gusto ko malaman eh. Paano monitoring? Let's try to contact Attorney PY ng DMW. Ayan, nagre-ring. Sunday ngayon, so sana sumagot siya. I hope sumagot si Attorney PY. Busy kasi ito lagi. Dati nagkakausap pa kami nito eh, kahit madaling araw. So I'm calling Attorney PY to ask, ano itong monitoring system na sinasabi niya? Okay, so hindi siya sumasagot. Anyway, basahin natin ano. Sabi dito, the Department of Migrant Workers is advocating for establishment of a joint monitoring system to oversee overseas Filipino workers in Saudi Arabia. Kanino kaya? Sa statement ng DMW Undersecretary for Policy International Cooperation, Patricia Yvonne Kaunan, nireveal niya na while Saudi authorities have introduced digital monitoring system, the Philippines is pushing for improvement coordination including the creation of shared employer database. Coordination. Siguro sa Saudi authorities. So mismong Saudi government na ang makikipag-collab sa kanila. Okay? This would allow for immediate sharing information regarding employers who may have mistreated Filipino workers, enabling prompt action. Paano yun? Kaunan emphasizes that the goal is to transition from a complaint-driven approach to more proactive and preventive monitoring system. Sabi niya, quote-unquote, we often face delays and learn about issues only after complaints are filed, and we want to shift away from that model. The DMW Secretary Hans Kakdak added that Saudi Arabia has agreed to implement the monitoring system, which will incorporate a know your employer approach. This will allow workers to review their potential workers' background before leaving the Philippines. And the agency is also focused on improving worker categorization, particularly for domestic helpers and caregivers, recognizing the need for specialized care in some cases. Sinabi ni Attorney Kakdak that many Filipinos are categorized as domestic workers but end up performing caregiver roles. Tama naman. And efforts are being made to more accurately classify them. The Saudi government has agreed to implement these changes, which will be reflected in a new memorandum agreement later this year. Diba? Digital. Paano yun? Paano kaya nila malalaman na ito inano na minaltrato na si worker? 'Di ba? Parang paano? Tawagan natin yung kaibigan natin sa Riyadh. Tawagan natin. Okay. May kausap siya. May kausap si Labat. Hindi natin maano. Nasa nasa kabilang linya siya. Paano mangyayari to, no? Paano kaya nila gagawin 'yan? Ang complaint po kasi ng Pilipinas, nalalaman na lang nila kapag may nagkaso na, nag-file na ng kaso na ito binugbog, ito ginahasa, ito minaltrato, hindi pinapasahod. So sabi ng Saudi government, meron silang monitoring system na kung saan nalalaman nila na itong si worker ay naagrabyado whatever. Pero these are all digitalized eh. Kung hindi naman po magrereklamo yung worker, ay hindi naman po papasok sa digital kung ano man ang sinasabi ng Saudi government. Di ba? Medyo naguguluhan pa rin ako at nahihiwagaan ako dito. Nahihiwagaan ako dito. Ang sabi ng Pilipinas, bago daw makapunta ng Saudi Arabia ang worker, dapat kilala na niya yung employer niya. Pero may butas dito kapatid eh. May butas dito eh. Sabi ng amo ko dito may system sila sa cellphone na isang click madetect agad sir dyan. Ito ba yung meron silang application na tinatawag eh. Nakalimutan ko lang yung pangalan ng application. Pero you have to manually file a case against your employer eh. Magre-register ka dun eh. You will register the incident eh. Merong ganun. Totoo yun, merong ganun. Pero hindi siya automatically na malalaman ng government kung yung worker inabuso, kung ikaw mismo hindi ka magko-complain. So ganun pa rin yun eh. Ganun din yun eh. Ang problema natin dito, Filipino, hindi ko naman nilalahat and do not be offended. Hindi kasi lahat ng OFW, Nazaha. Yes! Nazaha, tama na. Tama yun. Yung application na Nazaha. Alam niyo ba yung Nazaha? Tama ba, Nazaha? Baka nagkakamali tayo. Hindi yata Nazaha yun. Hindi yata Nazaha. Merong Arabic yun eh. Arabic eh. Similar siya sa hindi, baka ang sinasabi ng MHRSD yung mismong application nila. Yung yata yung binabanggit o tinutukoy dito. Pero ganun pa man, kahit may digital app sila sa Saudi government, hindi naman humare-register yung issue kung hindi mo ire-register. Do you get the point? Tapos doon sa sinasabi ng Pilipinas na know your employer approach, may butas dito eh. May butas dito eh. Paano kung yung worker natapos ang kontrata, lumipat sa ibang employer, doon nangyari ang problema? Paano mo makikilala yung susunod mong employer? 'Di ba? Parang ano to, parang may butas. Wari ko may butas to. Pakiramdam ko may butas din to. Hindi to applicable sa mga nag-transfer na employee. Hindi to applicable. Kasi kung yung mga lumipat, paano naman nila malalaman, di ba?